We saw Tonto Dikeh, and she posted a lot of things that you didn't pay her dowry. Most of the gifts you gave to her, she was the one that was sponsoring the marriage, in quote, that you're not as rich as you claim.
What is she doing that she's sponsoring me? She's an actress. Sponsoring which marriage? There was no marriage. There was just like knocking. No celebrity came. You didn't even call an artist. You didn't call any of your friends. Just 4 of us. Me, my mom, and 2 other people. What we had was a parlor thing, but they celebrated. We were to do the proper traditional wedding, church wedding, court wedding. Still in the process. We're actually in the process before we split it. We've not done traditional wedding, we've not done church, we've not done the court wedding.
What about the gifts?
I have all the receipts of the gift. The dowry you're talking about, I think why she's about the dowry was one of the reasons why I went to Port Harcourt. Okay, I was told this lady, she's pregnant now, you have to pay a dowry so the child can bear your name. So you see the reason why she fights about the dowry all the time. Well, I thank God her father came out and said I personally paid him the dowry. Okay, fine, they didn't pay your dowry. Your father confirmed I gave him the dowry. And okay, fine, you said you gave me the money. With which account? Okay, you said you've been the one sponsoring the wedding and me. And you should have transferred money to my account once or twice. Well, I can give you statement of 10 million, 5 million upwards.
That you sent to her?
Yes, but the bank does not lie. And okay, let's agree. Okay, you paid for your dowry yourself. The man was broke. He didn't have money. Did you marry me for money? The man was broke. He didn't pay for your dowry. A month after, you got a 22 million naira Jeep, Prado white. I have the receipt. Does that make sense to you? Dowry of 1.2 million to 22 million naira. Why buy the gift? You should have just removed the money from the brand new. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes. There are issues about fraud. About fraud, she sometimes
she's trying to put it in people's head to discredit me. I never had any case before. I've never been indicted. All my customers are still intact. I've never defrauded anybody. I don't have any bad record. I've been successful since 23 years old. And I've been working. I don't have any police case about fraud. I've never done 419 to any company, to any. The person should have come out. Do you understand? She's just doing that to discredit me. We never lived together before. I heard she said they used to squat with her. When I delivered your push gift, nobody was in your. They were even packing from your Lekki residence because your rent already expired. They delivered your push gift, the new Prado there. Nobody was there. I had to get hotel for the driver to wait. Do you understand? So was I squatting in your house then when they delivered your Prado? I don't understand. But this is allegation. You'll be like 26 years of marriage.
And we were married for.
We were only together for 6 months. But the allegation,